Preparation is essential. A team consisting of an operator, a maintenance worker, and a safety officer discusses the upcoming tasks. Together, they determine the necessary safety measures to ensure the work is carried out safely. Implementing safety measures is crucial for a safe work environment. Our workers inspect their tools, secure the work area, and ensure all risks are minimized before starting the job. Before starting, the worker collects a work permit from the permit desk. This document ensures that all necessary safety measures have been met. Before starting work, the worker conducts a last-minute risk analysis. He spots a hazardous substance leaking from a pipe. Working under these conditions is unsafe. He takes immediate action. The situation is unsafe and cannot be resolved immediately. The worker reports the issue to the permit desk and discusses the necessary safety measures with the safety coordinator. Immediate action is taken. The problem is fixed and the worksite is rechecked before work can resume. After resolving the issue, the worker performs another LMRA to ensure the area is safe. Everything is in order. Work can now continue safely. An LMRA takes only a few minutes but can prevent serious accidents. Take safety seriously. Always perform an LMRA and ensure a safe work environment for yourself and your colleagues.